Here we are in O-9 well, and I just finished rigging the relay and the redirect. There they are up there, and this is the pipe that we're coming to fix what we think is probably just a clog and a filter at the bottom, and that's where I'm headed. All right, smile, little snake. Bottom of O-9 well, we found a lovely little snake who I don't think is getting back up. But you know, I saw crickets, so he might be able to just live out his natural life down here. All right, here we are at the bottom of the well, unscrewing one of the pipes. Bev is at the end making sure that the little spigot that it uses at the end to suck up the water doesn't get jammed or bent. Right, here we are trying to get the sleeve off. But that didn't work. So, after taking the long part off, we stuck a wrench in here. And I just started pulling, and sure enough, there it goes. So that's our answer. Midnight at the repair job of good and evil. And let's see what happens on the other end here. Now we need something to plunge it with. How about, look, it's actually going down. Oh. Look, look, look.
Ooh.
Oh, if you can't even fill it. Oh, look how much is coming out. That's fantastic. More and more. We're now testing that the rest of the pipe is clear. But I see more water dripping from above than coming through the pipe. Yeah, just little bits. Oh, 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 look at that. All right. The water is coming out. At first it was fairly rusty, and now it is flowing clear. Yeah. Yeah, I think we're in good shape.
Start hooking back up.
Roger. Can you keep an eye on that end? Lower your side. There we go. What do you think?
Looks pretty good.
Okay. Then we're calling it.
Set it down. Eventually anyway.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, look, it's copper on the inside.
Oh, yeah. Looks like it.
Oh, fancy. I guess otherwise that piece won't run as smoothly as it does elsewhere.
I bet. Wow, look at that. Oh, here we go. Beverly doping the end of the pipe.